Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, going to show you how to create professional business emails. And today we're going to walk you through a crucial step in establishing your professional presence online, creating a business email. And we're going to make it super easy by using Hostinger. Whether you're a freelancer, a small business owner, or just starting a new project, having a professional email can make all the difference. Not only adds credibility but also keeps your work and personal life separate. So let's dive into how you can set up your very own business email using Hostinger. Well, first, let's quickly talk about why a business email is important. Unlike a regular email, a business email is tied to your domain, like your name at yourbusiness.com, rather than a generic provider like Gmail or Yahoo. This not only looks more professional, but also builds trust with your clients and customers. Plus, with Hostinger, you get a ton of features that make managing your email a breeze. Now let's get into the setup process. When you sign up for a hosting plan with Hostinger, you get a free business email and can create up to 100 email addresses, which is perfect if you're managing a team. Accessing the email setup. Now first, log into your Hostinger account. Once you're in the dashboard, navigate to the top of the page and click on the email stub. This is where you'll see all your available domains. Now let's create your email address. So on the right side of the domain, you want to click the Manage button. You will see an option to create email account. Click on that, and now you'll need to choose your email address, and then you just have to set a strong password. And once that's done, hit create. And just like that, your professional email is ready to go. Now let's set up your email client. If you want to manage all your emails in one place, you can set up an email client. This allows you to sync your business email with platforms like Outlook or Gmail. While this is optional and a bit more advanced, it's something to consider if you manage multiple accounts. Now let's move on to some advanced features that can really enhance your email management. Forwarders, email aliases, catch-all emails, and automatic replies. Now let's talk about email forwarders. Forwarders are a great way to ensure you never miss an important email. They automatically send emails from your business account to another email address, such as your personal one. To set this up, go back to your email management page. Click on Create a Forwarder. Enter your business email and the destination email and hit Create. It's that simple. Now let's talk about catch-all emails. This feature is particularly useful if someone misspells your email address. A catch-all email ensures that any messages sent to a misspelled version of your email still reach you. To set this up, click on Create Catch-all. Choose the correct email address and you're covered. No more worrying about miscommunications. An email alias is another handy tool. It allows you to create alternative email addresses that all route to your main inbox. For example, you might set up info@yourbusiness.com and support@yourbusiness.com, but they both go to the same inbox. To do this, click on Create Alias. Select your main email, and then from here, choose the alias you want. This is great for managing different aspects of your business under one roof. Finally, let's touch on automatic replies. If you're going to be out of the office or unavailable for a period of time, you can set up an automatic reply that lets people know when you'll be back or who to contact in your absence. Just click on Create Automatic Reply, set your start and end dates, type your message, and you're all set. And there you have it. With just a few simple steps, you've got a professional business email up and running, complete with all the tools you need to manage it effectively. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you on the next video.